Hello guys, thank you for watching. So today this is my first ever video on the YouTube and I need your support. Give me some ideas on the comment section about what do you want me to analyze, and give me some likes. Today I have my own plan. I will start to analyze economical situation of the US for the upcoming week. Then I will jump into a gold, I will jump to a NASDAQ, then I will go to a crypto. So let's begin, because we have a very volatile week next week. The inflation data is coming out, the CPI, which is forecasted to be unchanged, but I think that it can come out lower because the economical situation the US is getting a little bit better. So I think it can come a little bit lower. I cannot say anything about PPI news or retail news, but we can forecast that unemployment claims can come higher than expected because we are seeing that many government and IRS people are firing from the jobs. So why not? Let's prepare it to be higher than expected. But overall, we have very mixed signals because inflation is like very mixed signal. PPI says that it's good for USD. Retail sales it's bad for USD. Unemployment says it's good for USD. So we have a very mixed week, but one thing is sure, we have very volatile one. So volatility is trader's best friend if we do our analysis correctly. So let's jump into a chart right now. I will start to analyze DXY, the dollar index here, which is currently breaking the support level, but we are seeing that DXY love the deviations before the next big moves up. But right now maybe it's a fake deviation move. And why? Because the interest rates was unchanged in the upcoming FOMC meeting, which giving me signals that next one meeting will be the game changer. They will reduce the interest rates, which will lead to like move something like this. But right now, on a 4-hour time frame, we are seeing that USD is doing fine. So maybe we can see something like this, especially before the inflation data or something like that. And after that, some consolidation and boom. So this move will be like fake deviation to trap both side of the traders. So yeah, it's very mixed signal, as I said, but my bet will be that the XY can lead to upward move first and then go down around this area till the week. Whoops, it's very ugly line, but you get the idea, right? If not, let me clear it. Yeah, something like this, and close something like this. Maybe, why not? It's completely achievable. So this is a little bit mid-term analysis, but for a long term I think that USD dollar is going to get super weak, maybe the weaker than 2002 2003. So yes, overall the markets are going to go parabolic in quarter 3, but in next week I will be more protective about my trades, and I will tell you why. Now let's jump to a gold, because we have some forecasts about USD, right? So on the gold, what I'm seeing here is nothing, absolutely nothing. We have maybe some kind of resistance here, but not so. On the 4-hour time frame, I have very clear range here. This is deviation, the support level is tested very good, and we have some minor resistance here, which was primarily a support level, and then it became resistance, and we had this move. So right now, for first part of the week, I'm waiting the strong USD, which means weak gold, and we are seeing on the technical level that this small trend line is also getting broke. It's breaking down. So yes, it's very clear for me to say that gold can go around here, maybe the first target around here and second target here. Why not? let's check how unbalanced volume says. Unbalanced volume is volume based indicator, so yeah, it says that volume also is breaking down, it's going dead. So this move is very realistic for me, but we can see some fake moves towards this range highs and then go down. So my overall positions will be like this: short position from here to here, maybe something like this. And if the data comes out favorable for gold, I can long from here to here. Why not? It will be a perfect trade. It will be a perfect trade, right? Yeah. So this will be my main plan to play. This will be my main plan to play. Depends what economical data will come out. But overall, my first move will be like to short the gold and then wait something here. Wait something. If everything comes out as I planned, then we're going up. So this was about gold. Now let's jump to a stock market. For stock market, I will look at NASDAQ. So we are seeing that it was very volatile quarter. We had sharp move down, then up, and etc. etc. Now, my first area to be very attentive about the market is this one, because it was very strong range here. Like on daily time frame, it's not so strong range, but when I move into a 4-hour, you will see that this is beautiful range with little bit of deviations here. So I think that markets can go up, and here will be decision making process. Maybe we can see something like this and then break, because some sellers will come here and sell around this level and then come back in the market. But yeah, overall this place is where I will be very attentive. Before that, I will say that stock markets can go up little bits, especially stocks like AMD, Nvidia, Tesla, and Microsoft as well. Microsoft is very good moving stock right now. So yeah, now let's jump into a 4-hour time frame, and you will see that this is a perfect range. This is a perfect range here with 2 deviations, and technically this will be a good move also, because we will take some liquidity from here and then maybe something like this, or break and test and go up. So this is my overall analysis for next week, but I would say that this move is inevitable. We will see this move despite of what. So now let's jump to a Bitcoin analysis, because at this moment Bitcoin is correlated strongly on stock market or strongly on gold. So we analyzed both. For Bitcoin analysis, I will need the liquidation heat maps to discover liquidity areas where stop losses or orders or something like this. And we have 2 main area, which is 104k and 98k and $600. So let's mark these levels on the chart. First level is around here. This is our first liquidity pool, right? The second one was around here. Yeah, second one is around here. This is our second liquidity pool. This is our second liquidity pool. So in liquidity pool, I'm meaning that here is many liquidations, many orders, and price loves to go on this level to open some orders or close them. So now let's see what's going on the upside of these levels, or on the downside of these levels. We are seeing that we have clear zone here, and yes, we have some clear zones here as well. Why not? Yes. So let's jump to a lower time frame. We are seeing that we have 2 liquidity pools, and mm, each has support level or resistance one, like demand or supply. So uh, next week will be very fast, I think, and we can take both of the sides of liquidity. So my plans will be, if market goes up here and the economical data comes favorable for USD, then I will short from here. If market gives me some confirmation, I will short from here, and I will aim the next liquidity pool here, which will give me very good trade opportunity. And my second plan of the trade will be to wait to took this liquidity, then come back here, and after that I will long this market if the data comes out favorable for Bitcoin and not for USD. So yeah, this is my two trade plans for Bitcoin. Also, if the first move will happen, the price will test this 100 EMA on the 4-hour time frame, which is considered to be a very strong support after 50 EMA. So yeah, why not? This is very realistic target and very good point for enter the long. And also the one more confirmation that it will be a good opportunity to long is that CMA gap is around this area. Wait, yeah, this is the CMA gap here, around 98k. So yes, maybe we can close this one too and then go up. So yes, we have two very good and solid trade plans for Bitcoin. Now let's jump to Ethereum. I like Ethereum very much. Look at this move. We had pure and good deviation here. I don't use channels. It was just for visualization. It was clear deviation, and now market goes up. Now we can see something like this, maybe some correction here, and then move up. This will be a great move for enter the market. Or yes, I don't see other option here because the overall high time frame trend is bullish for crypto. We are seeing the volume is coming, and also if we look the Bitcoin Ethereum against Bitcoin chart, it's on a major support. It was a support in 2060, then 2090, and now it's support again. And we are seeing a really good momentum here from the buyers. So I think from now on, Ethereum will outperform Bitcoin slowly. Now, what I want to see for alt season, okay? What I want to see is that Bitcoin breaks these all-time highs and go around. Break these all-time highs and go around 150k, 115k, and then the most important chart for altcoins is Ethereum's chart, and I want to see that Ethereum breaking this level, and this is the point. This is the point where altcoins will go crazy, and we will see some mega bull run if this happens very quickly. So yes, why not? Now the next one that I want to talk about is OXO. OXO AI is one of the best projects around here. I'm very bullish about this project, and I'm accumulating it more than 2 years already. This is my positions. The why I like this project is that it's private sector, and all these years they had no mainnet. They were just a beta project. Okay, now they have mainnet, so they are also implementing really good tools for auditing the transactions. So yeah, why not? The project was like the beta version, and it was around 500 million USDs, and now they have the mainnet, and they could be at 60. No, I don't think so. I'm waiting something like little bit accumulation maybe, and something like this towards to $1 is my first target, and 2.5 is my final target. Now I like the chart against Ethereum as well. because it's on a prior support right now for the range. But if Ethereum's gaining momentum, I think we will see something like this, and after that there will be a really good move for OXO. Now I will talk about Solana as well because I like the chart of it, and I will end the video here. Yes, yes. Look at this beautiful chart. We had support resistance. Now we had deviation. Here was some kind of divergence, as I remember correctly. Wait, let me check. Yes, we have divergence here, and we are seeing this beautiful move to the upside. Now everything depends on Bitcoin here. We can go like one more time downside and then break it, or break it and then we go around new all-time highs to $350. It will be very fast if this happen. But I will stick to a conservative plan. I think we will see some kind of correction here from this level, and then we go up. So yes, it will be a very volatile week. It will be a very volatile quarter for crypto. So be attentive and like the video, subscribe me, and we'll see in the next week each other. Bye bye.